Ever questioned what the top 12 healthiest foods you should incorporate into your diet are? In this video, we'll plunge into the significance of nutritious eating. Fresh, colorful fruits and vegetables, we highlight the astounding benefits of these edibles. So, ready to revolutionize your diet? Stay tuned and don't blink, as we are about to unveil these superfoods that possess the power to transform your life. First on our list is broccoli, a powerhouse of nutrients. This green veggie is packed with vitamins, minerals, and fiber. Moving on, we have almonds. These crunchy nuts are rich in heart-healthy fats and protein. Next is quinoa, a pseudo-cereal that's a complete protein and full of fiber. Lastly, let's talk about blueberries. These little berries are bursting with antioxidants that boost your immune system. These 4 foods alone can significantly contribute to your well-being. If you're finding this information useful, hit the subscribe button for more health tips. We're on a mission to make wellness easy and fun, so join us by subscribing. Together, we can achieve our health goals. Let's continue our journey towards better health. Moving on to our next set of superfoods. Salmon, a powerhouse of omega-3 fatty acids, aids in cardiovascular health. Spinach packed with iron and vitamin K fortifies your bones and boosts your energy. Our next superfood, avocado, is a treasure trove of monounsaturated fats for heart health and fiber for digestion. Sweet potato, loaded with vitamin A and fiber, promotes eye health and keeps you feeling full. Still with us? Great. The last set of superfoods is coming up. Finally, let's unveil our last 4 health-boosting foods. Garlic, a powerful disease fighter that can enhance the body's immune cell activity. The next is olive oil, a heart-healthy fat that helps lower bad cholesterol. Thirdly, Greek yogurt, a superior dairy product with probiotics, protein, and calcium. And lastly, green tea, known for its antioxidant properties. Remember, incorporating these 12 superfoods into your diet can have a significant impact on your health. So, why wait? Start your journey towards better health today.